welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com. And in this series, we're going to do systems of equations word problems, and I will be solving all of these either using substitution or elimination, just depending on how they get set up. I'm not a huge fan of using graphing. It's great to visualize, but if the numbers are ever decimals or fractions, it just doesn't work. And also, I never have graph paper hanging out when I need it. So if I use substitution or elimination, I know I'm going to be able to deal with fractions and decimals, and I don't have to go find graph paper. So I'm going to do about 2 questions per video, maybe 3, and we'll just do as many parts as it takes to get through all of my examples. Alrighty, number 1. The sum of 2 numbers is 15. Their difference is 3. What are the numbers? So we've got 2 numbers. I don't know what they are. I'm going to label them. X is my first number. Y is my second number. Always identify your variables. It's called defining your variables. The sum of these 2 numbers, sum means add. So we're going to add them together and we're going to get 15. Their difference means subtract. We subtract and we get 3. Now we need to solve this system. Look, this is set up so nicely for elimination. I just have to add them together. The y's will cancel because they already had the same number, opposite signs. That gives me 2x equals 18. Divide by 2, and I get x is 9. My first number is 9. Well, 9 plus what number gives me 15? Subtract 9 from both sides, and I get y equals 4. That's not a 4. That's a 6. I subtracted wrong in my head. I got 6. So 9 plus 6 does give me 15. 9 minus 6 gives me 3. So those are my numbers, 9 and 6. All right, are you ready for another one? Okay, for this one, number 2. A bus and 4 cars carry 55 people. 2 buses and 5 cars hold 95 people. How many people can each bus or car hold? Okay, so we've got buses and cars, and we're trying to figure out how many people each bus can hold and each car can hold. So I'm going to say B is the number of people on a bus, and C is going to be the number of people in a car. I've got my variables. Okay, a bus, so 1 bus plus 4 cars gave me 55 people. How much times how many? I say how much. How many people times how many cars? How many people times how many buses? I usually say how much times how many because we do a lot of this with money. How much does something cost times how many you bought? That kind of thing. We'll get to those. That's the first one. 2 buses, so 2 times B is how many people for that bus, or those 2 buses, and 5 cars gave me 95 people. Now, you know, this one's kind of going to be easy to do with substitution. Look, B is by itself. I don't need that 1 there. So I can solve this one for B. I'm going to subtract 4C from both sides. Minus 4C. I get B equals 55 minus 4C. Plug that into the other one. 2 times 55 minus 4C plus 5C equals 95. Now let's be careful with our multiplying. 55 times 2 is 110 minus 8C plus 5C equals 95. Combine like terms. 110 minus 3C equals 95. Subtract 110 from both sides. Negative 3C equals negative 15. Divide by negative 3. So C is 5 people. How many people? 5 people per car. Now we've got to figure out how many people are on a bus. I'm going to use this first equation right here. B plus 4 times 5 equals 55. B plus 20 equals 55. So subtract 20. And I get B equals 35. And absolutely go back and check this. Is 2 times 35 plus 5 times 5 equal to 95? I did this earlier, And yes, it works. But check it with both of them before you turn your paper in. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at amtutors.com. Also, like and subscribe so you get the latest and greatest math content when we post it. Have a great day.